Why hello, and welcome to my Honda named Rhonda, where I will be camping for the next 2 nights. This is going to be a very raw, very honest vlog of what I'm doing here because, well, I don't really have extra battery space to re-record things, so we're just gonna go with the flow here. I'm up on Mount Graham in southern Arizona. It's one of the tallest points in the state, and I'll show you around that a little bit more tomorrow, but right now I'm going to show you everything that I packed in my little sedan. So this is my passenger seat. This is where I will be sleeping. I have 2 blankets here, because I've gotten used to 115 degrees, and so 75 degrees feels like winter. And then I have my meditation cushion, important essentials, 2 regular pillows that I took from my bed. Back here is my backpack. What else do I have up here? Tripod, travel yoga mat. This is the best investment I have ever made. I have my baby first aid kit and my pooper scooper baby wipes. Please excuse the wind, I'm in nature. So I was just in the passenger seat, and then here in the back seat is where I was pointing at my backpack. And then across over here I have some jackets. 2 water jugs are underneath these. There we go. Oh, I brought a hat, that's good. And then right here are my clothes and some essential toiletries. And then this, because I don't have an ice chest, this bag works as my ice chest. It's like an insulated igloo bag, and this is full of my food. I also have dry goods back here in lay trunk. Ignore everything else in my trunk, but I have some food, my hammock that was $20 on Amazon, highly recommend, and my newest purchase that I will show you how I'm using later on. I also have 1 bowl, 1 fork, 1 knife, 1 spoon, and 1 plate, and a cutting board for my cucumber. So here's Rhonda, and then the road is literally just right there, but I've only seen a few people here. So turning around, the reason why I stopped here was because there's this nice big open spot. There is a little campfire ring, but because it's Arizona, there is a fire ban right now, so I can't use that, but that's okay. And I think I'm gonna hang my hammock up somewhere around here. Oh, what is that? An Easter basket. All right, yeah, that's nature. Cool. Yes! Alrighty, it's dinner time, and I'm super excited for this because I get to test out my Jetboil. Now, all of this fits inside of this when you pack it away, so it's like so convenient. Then this just like sits in and whoop, screws in, and now I have a little pot. I'm so excited. There we go. Hey Rhonda. Rhonda the Honda. Love her. It's that dreaded moment when you're camping and you wake up, it's cold, but you have to pee. And even though I don't want to get out of the car, the forest is so still. There's not a bit of wind, so I'm gonna use this opportunity to get some bird noises for a meditation video and eat my breakfast. Oh, I'm hyped for breakfast. Wow. Here we have my gourmet meal. So we have the coffee that I made yesterday and put in a mason jar so that I wouldn't have to light up my stove this morning and I could just get right to it. I also have some banana bread muffins. They're big muffins. And the honeydew from last night. I feel like most people would invest in a camping chair, but sitting on my meditation cushion on a blanket on the ground, totally fine with me. Figured I'd give y'all a little tour of the campsite before I go on my hike. So this is where my car is parked. And then as you turn around, this was my kitchen last night. That's where the jet boil was. That's where the cutting board was. Oh, I guess I left that there. Whoops. And then from here you can see my dining room or meditation room with my blanket and my meditation cushion and a yoga mat. And then down there, I don't know if you can see it, is my hammock. I need to get changed, pack my lunch, and go hiking. Honestly, with all of the food that I brought, I could probably stay here for like 5 days. I wish I could just stay for 5 days, but I told my friend that I would stay with them Saturday night on my last full day off, so I guess I'll do that. Hey, Grace. Anyways, I'm gonna go get changed in Le car, and I will catch back up with you when I'm off on my hike. I love it when you stop to check your distance and it's already been more than you expected. I'm using the All Trails app and I've gone 2 miles in 1 hour, just walking at a normal pace. I will insert a picture of my All Trails map here. Yeah, there's still quite a bit to go, but it's only 9:17 in the morning, so I've got all day. Also, if you're wondering, this is a like sunproof thing. It has like UV protection, so that's why it's like up over my hat to protect my ears. I've gotten sunburnt one too many times to forget about that, so. Alright, time for another check-in. I forgot to mention that technically on All Trails it says to take an Old Forest Road 320A, but a lot of the reviews on All Trails said that that trail is really overgrown and it was hard to walk. So one of the people in the comments recommended taking Forest Service Road 507 up instead. So that's what I've done. I've walked all the way up the 507. Now I'm at the point where the 320A meets 507, and from here is straight up to the peaks. I'm more than halfway, I think. I'm an hour, 38 minutes in, and I've gone 3.1 miles. Again, I'll insert my little map right here. But I've also gained 2,000 feet in elevation, which it doesn't really feel like it because it's an old service road, so it's not really switchbacks or straight up like most hikes that go to peak mountains are. So it's just kind of like a relaxing stroll through the mountains, as long as you have the endurance to keep up with the distance. Okay, I spoke too soon about the incline. It's picking up, but I can't complain because look at the views. We made it. I'm eating an apple before I film my yoga class and hoping I have enough energy to get back down. All of the yoga classes and meditations that I'm filming here on this trip will be linked down below. Oof, hat hair. Anyways, I have just sat myself down in the shade along the trail. for some lunch because it was way too hot at the summit. There was literally zero shade because all of the trees were just burnt. So I decided to save my lunch until I got back here. There's a fly on my microphone. I wonder if you can hear that. Anyways, this is lunch. Some chickpea tuna on Ritz crackers with a slice of cucumber on top. So it's like a little sandwich. Thank you, cloud, for covering the sun. Only 2 more switchbacks, and then the hike down the road, back to where my car's parked. I've never been more excited to see my hammock. First things first, change these shoes. Oh God. Oh, yep, that's a blister. Yay. I need a foot massage. I need that one dude from that one Vine. Barbecue and foot massage. It's literally midnight and someone just pulled in to where I'm parked. And it's a full moon, and I don't know whether to be concerned or to just let it go. I've been awake for a few minutes. I've just been avoiding getting out because there's people. Oh my God, Yas, he's leaving. You're not gonna find a spot there, buddy. It's all full. Okay, I think I honestly scared him because as soon as he saw me moving around in my car, he got in, drove off. He was probably thinking, no one would choose to sleep in their Honda Accord. Nah, bish, there's me. Anyways, I'm gonna chill in this hammock, eat my breakfast, take a poop, and then film a yoga class. Breakfast is the same as yesterday, coffee and a muffin. Alrighty, I just finished recording the yin yoga class, and I'm actually not as sore as I expected to be after that hike yesterday, which is muy bueno. But what's not very good is the fact that you can still hear airplanes. Anyways, I need to record the intro and outros for the class that I recorded yesterday, which means I need to go change my outfit, sadly. Then I'm gonna take some photos for Instagram, and then probably eat lunch and be on my way. Sadly. Alright, I'm finally done with all the yoga stuff. It is now 11:40, and I am hungry.